In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Plenty of Fish account. So if this video helps you out, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. So to do it, it's real simple. You just have to be logged into the account you want to delete. Then you go to the help section on the website and you want to come down here to remove profile. Click on remove profile, and then to delete your POF profile, you need to click here. And then it's going to take you to this page here. Now all we need to do now is scroll all the way down. And there's going to be some text here that says to delete your account, click here, click on that, and then again we can scroll all the way down again, and then here you have to enter in your username and the password to the account you want to delete. You need to enter the reason for leaving, how many dates you went on, and all of that information, and then you can just click quit/give up/delete account, and your POF account is going to be completely deleted. So if that video did help you out, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.